Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, me and Walter getting ready to go to Macai's birthday dinner. It's at a restaurant. It's called HAMADA of Japan. So, Amber wanted him to see how food is made at the table and see the fire, see the flames. Okay. So today is his actual birthday. He's 1 year old. And I want to thank everybody who wished him a happy birthday at the birthday party. Okay. I'll be back when we're actually at the restaurant. Okay. Bye. Okay, me and Walter are at the place. We're sitting in the car waiting for everybody else to arrive. I had no idea where it was, and I put the address in the GPS, and I come over here all the time. I had no idea this restaurant was back here. So we're about 30 minutes early, but I don't like to go nowhere late. I say if you're early, you're on time, and if you're on time, you're late. And I got a hubby that's just the opposite. He don't care nothing about time. He figures as long as he get there, they ought to be glad to see him. So, there's some of my people. No. Okay, I'll keep y'all posted when we get in the restaurant. And they got a big old statue of a sumo wrestler in front of the place. Okay, I'll keep y'all posted. Bye. Look at this big old sumo wrestler, y'all. Okay. So we're at HAMADA's of Japan. So we're going in now to be seated. Okay, we're seated. Walter, hi.
Hi.
Okay, you ain't gotta have no speech. Miss Amber.
Hi.
Birthday boy, he's 1 year old. Macai. Hi Jackie.
Hey everybody.
Hi Benji. We're waiting for Brandy and Dylan. And that's how the table looks and the cooktop. And they're gonna seat 2 more people at the end of the table. So I'm looking at the menu.
They should have just gave us the whole thing.
They should have.
It ain't, cause it ain't like, you know.
HAMADA of Japan. Steak and sushi restaurant.
So Tiki would have came.
Right. Okay, what do I want? Are they gonna cook my steak at the table too? I want a real steak.
They got that?
Yeah. I looked it up before I came. Because I can't have none of this shellfish and stuff.
I'm not getting no shellfish.
Yeah. Entrees.
Is it chili in there to you?
Real good. Okay now. I saw steak when I was at home. Steak beef julienne. Oh, that's for little kids. Hey, Macai. This is kind of blurry for some reason.
We have this happening.
I don't like the way this looks. How come your camera, your phone is better than my camera?
Macai, you
Oh, this is blurry.
This one be crawling away.
I'm trying to get those, I don't know if those are called, they're not stained glass windows. It's pretty up in here. Okay, Walter got a sake.
Yeah.
Let me see the front of the bottle. Uziki sake dry. And it's cold. You could have ordered hot if you wanted. Oh, you got the little cup.
Yeah,
Pour that in. I got the virgin. What is this? That brandy.
I'll take another two. Has to be over $5.
What is this I got, Walker? Virgin margarita.
Margarita, I think.
I don't even know what I got.
The virgin.
No, I got the virgin pina colada. That's what that is. Yeah. And I got something called a lemon drop. Jackie, what drink you got?
This is an amaretto, some type of
Amaretto paradise.
yeah,
Oh
amaretto
yeah,
paradise.
Amaretto Paradise. And Brandy just came.
Yeah, but have you ordered for Brandy yet?
Okay, I don't know what kind of soup this is, but it's steaming hot.
Tastes good.
It does. You want my mushroom?
Okay.
I don't want
I wish Brandy could
Let's sit on.
sit like
Yep. I ain't ate it yet. Okay. All right.
unless
Some forward in
right there since he not eating no way.
Keep that some forward in there.
I don't think anybody can sit on the end. I don't see nobody sitting on the end like that. Won't he be in the man's way?
Yeah, because that knife and whatnot need to be cut.
Look at that. Oh, he's watching.
Look at the guy.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that little girl's dress. Cute.
He did like that.
So maybe okay, right? Make a try it?
Yeah, you're fine.
All right, back a little bit. Let it.
Get back.
There you go.
Telling folks to get back.
Ready? Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
There you go. Right, you okay?
Hey, look,
Uh-oh.
Macai.
You okay?
That scared Macai. Yay!
You okay?
Normal for you, baby.
That's why she came here, so he can see the show. See the fire, and he's scared of it.
There you go. Open your mouth. Right?
Oh, he gonna throw that in your mouth. Ah! Oh, he caught it. I didn't get it. I don't do that.
There you go, baby. Open your mouth. There you go. 2, 3.
Oh. Okay.
Breathing hard.
So Benji ate something.
You like it, Benji? You like it?
That's where you gotta get him to eat. Throw food in his mouth. Uh-oh. Look, here we go again. Little fire.
I don't need it.
Fascinated. Oh, look at that.
There you go.
The train. I need a napkin. I like the garlic noodles. They're delicious. Look at that garlic butter. Yum, yum, yum. Well, it was good. Last time I had it, it was delicious. I'm not caring about carbs today. The soy sauce. What happened? And you put the chicken on the grill, broccoli, some of that, I think that's garlic butter. Yep, everybody got their noodles. Okay, added the broccoli, waiting for my steak. Look at the steak. Putting the steaks on there. You didn't bring no beer. You gonna put the napkin in his shirt? He's spinning an egg on the grill. Oh my goodness. He's entertaining Macai. Oh my goodness. It's on that yolk. Patty cake. Patty cake. Dylan eating them noodles. Here's the rice. I ordered chicken fried rice. Thank you. steak on here. There's my chicken fried rice. There's some yum yum sauce and some ginger. Here's my plate. Yum yum. Let's get my eat on.
I mix all of mine.
Huh?
I said I mix all of mine, the noodles and rice.
I'm gonna mix mine too. Oh, look at that. Now what is that thing?
That's a lobster tail.
Lobster tail? I can't eat that either. Look at that.
Ready? Just for you?
No. Look at that. He fanned the tail. Now he moving. Oh my goodness. And a bunch of shrimp over there. Stuff I can't have. I'm glad they fixed it last. Because I'm allergic. Okay, I'm gonna eat, y'all. Now he's cleaning the grill.
We got dinner for a couple of days.
Uh-huh. You know I'm getting the doggy bag.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
He's taking donations. He's 1 year old.